Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In an ideal world, all soil would be perfect for growing every kind of plant. But garden soil often needs to be adjusted depending on what plant you want to grow. Such as some plants love acid soil and some plants love alkaline soil. And garden lime is a common amendment that can give your plants a boost. However, lime isn't something to mix into your soil on a whim or based on the promises on the package at the garden store. Lime actually changes the chemistry of the soil in ways that can help certain plants grow better but could harm other plants. Now, most of you must have already figured out what will be our topic for today. Today's topic is how and when do we use garden lime into our soil. The first question that most of you must have by now is that does our soil need lime? The short answer is maybe. It all depends on the existing pH of your soil and the kinds of plant you want to grow. Most veggies, fruits and ornamental plants thrive in soil that has a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. Now the question is, when is the best time to add lime? If possible, add lime in the fall. It takes time to change the pH of the soil, so applying lime in fall takes advantage of the winter months prior to next growing season. You can get these packets of lime in a pawn shop. So my mom adds 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime to the soil and mixes it. Lime is not only used for changing the soil pH, but if you have squash bugs, fleas, beetles, cockroaches or aphids, you can use lime as a pest control. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime into 5 liters of water, mix it properly and then simply spray it on your plants. Lime causes the insects to dry out and suffocate, but keep in mind the lime will kill all insects, even the beneficial ones in your garden. Look, while spraying, my mom found out that we have a lot of naughty caterpillars in our garden still now. So my mom stopped the spraying and put all the caterpillars in the jar and then resumed spraying again. Other benefits includes an increase in earthworm activity and improve the soil structure. So you can use as much lime you want in your garden, but carefully. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.